Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. Today is October the 8th and we're going to be looking at the chart of Russell. This is Russell Futures 60 minutes time frame, and we are now within the wave 5 in the intermediate degree here, which subdivides so far into a 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Now 4 should be complete right now because it's already 1.618 here, and then we can then extend higher one more time to finish with 5 in red, as well as finishing with 5 in blue. Okay, so we got a 3 swings pullback so far, and as long as we don't drop again and develop into 5 waves, then again we still continue to favor the upside to finish a 5 waves up from this low over here. Okay, now let's take a look and zoom out and giving you some ideas about alternates. Okay, some possible alternates here. So if I zoom out on the daily time frame, we're going to be focusing on the intermediate 3 and 4. So this is the 3 and 4, and this is of course the low in April. So the 1 and the 2 here, so basically we are finishing up this cycle here currently. Right, this is the 5-way cycle that we are looking at, and with one more leg up, potentially we finish 5 in blue, and then we'll be doing a bigger correction against this cycle here. So that will be, so this should be another 1, 2 in the higher degree, and this is 3, 4 and then higher again, right? And so that's the idea. Now a couple of possible alternates. Now instead of finishing 5 in blue here, we could actually continue to extend higher. So in other words, if you look at it here, so instead of ending 5 in blue as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that could be only ending 1 or 5 and continues to go up like this before finishing 5 in blue, right? I think that's possibility. That's definitely a possibility. It's a more bullish scenario, because you can see in the length of the 1, the 3, and it is possible that the length of the 5 actually extend a little bit more before we finish the 5 swing up and get a bigger pullback. Okay, so that's one possibility there, and which is a more bullish scenario. Okay, now what about if we don't go higher and we just turn lower from here? Well, like I said, if it becomes a 5 ways down, then I think this move up here, it does kind of look like a 3 swings, to be honest. This 1, 2, 3. So if we develop into a 5 ways down, then I think one possibility there is that let's take a look at a couple of non-bullish alternate first, right? Non-bullish meaning it's still bullish but not as bullish. We can do a flat, ABC flat, like this, because this one looks like a 3-way, so we can be like this, doing 4 here before turning higher. ABC expanded flat. That's one possibility. Another possibility is you force this, right? You force this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finish here. So you're ending 1 here. The count is not ideal, but that's definitely not totally impossible. Something like this, right? And so what that means is that yeah, so there's a couple of different possibilities, guys. I know that somebody, if you want one exact count, then well, what I'm showing you is basically what we think is going to happen, but I'm giving you alternate regardless, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, and then you're gonna get a 5, 3, 5 to correct, right? A 5 waves up, down, so ABC to finish 2 and go up again. So that's another possibility there. And then yet one last possibility, which I don't think it is likely, is finishing 5 here and then do a bigger pullback, correcting this. Now that 5 is going to be too shallow as comparison to the 1 and the 3, and so I don't think it's going to be what's going to happen, even though, yeah, I mean, technically it's not totally impossible. It is possible. Now, in terms of the target on the upside from the wave 5, you can simply use the 1.236 external retracement of the wave 4. So you do retracement of the wave 4 and take the 1.236, which is the minimum target usually for wave 5. So the target here near term is 25.31 to finish this wave 5, to complete this 5 ways up from here. And then after you got a 5 ways up, then you should be getting yet another 3 waves, either to correct this only and rally again, or it's going to correct, or it's going to be correcting this like this before higher. So it's either you correct only this or you correct this and then higher again, right? So that's the idea. But again, since our focus is near term, we're not trying to discuss every single scenarios in the larger time frame. Then basically for us, it's suffice to say that we should be getting another leg up to finish a 5 ways up from here with potential target 25.31. Okay, so that's the idea here. And as always, if you want to get more updates or want to get more the higher time frame analysis, you can check our service. We have 14 days trial, only 99 cents for new members, and you can use the link in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, guys, and have a nice day, everyone.